SCI-EASE. While dealing with the reflection of the light by the spherical mirrors, we follow a set of rules. And what are they? Called the new Cartesian sign convention. So these new Cartesian sign conventions, they are very, very important. With the help of this mirror formula that is derived and various numericals related to the mirror formula that can be solved only when you know these sign conventions. Okay, so this is the x-axis, which is a principal axis, that is x dash x, and this is the pole P. Okay, now this is the object. Object in this first sign convention is that object is always placed on the left. So object always placed on left hand side of the spherical mirror, and the rays of light, they will start from the left hand side and they will strike the mirror. This is mirror MN, that is a spherical mirror. Okay. Second sign convention, that is that all distances parallel to the principal axis, they are measured from pole. So distances measured from pole. All distances parallel to the principal axis, they are measured from pole P. Okay. Now third sign convention, that is the distance measured towards the right hand side of the mirror, that is always positive. The distance towards the right is always positive, and distance towards the left hand side, that is always negative. Okay, so this you should remember, that the distance, that is distance towards right, that is positive, and towards left it is negative. Now come to the next sign convention. The distance perpendicular to the principal axis and above the principal axis, that is height upwards, that is taken as positive. Distance perpendicular to the principal axis and above the principal axis, that is measured as positive distance, and this is the fourth one. And fifth one is distance upwards. Upward distance, that is measured positive, and downward distance, that is measured as negative. Okay. So fifth one is that the distance perpendicular to the principal axis and is downward, that is negative. So in all, I have told you how many? 5 sign convention. The first one is that the object is placed always on the left hand side, and the rays of light, they start from the object and strikes the mirror from the left hand side. Second, all the distances parallel to the principal axis, they are measured from pole. And third one is that the distances towards the right are positive and distances towards the left are negative. This is the third one. And fourth one, the distance perpendicular and above the principal axis, that is positive, and the distance perpendicular and downwards on the principal axis, that is measured as negative distance. So these are the 5 sign conventions. When we are to solve the numericals, we must put negative or positive sign accordingly. By using these sign convention, we can derive the mirror formula. So very important, that is mirror formula we can deduce from this. And what is mirror formula? Here, the distance of the object from the pole, from the mirror, that is u. And the distance of the image from the mirror, that is v. Okay? And the distance from the principal focus to the pole, that is known as a focal length. That you know. Distance of the object from the mirror, that is u. Distance of the image from the mirror, that is v. And distance from the principal focus to the mirror or pole, you can say that is f. Okay, that is a focal length. Okay, by using these and knowing the sign convention, we will deduce the mirror formula, that is 1 by v plus 1 by u, it is equal to 1 by f. It is very, very important, and on the basis of this, many numericals, they are asked. Okay, and by using the sign convention, we will put the sign of v, u, f or r. Sometimes r is given, that is radius of the mirror, that is given. From that you can calculate the focal length. Okay, so by using the sign convention, you will put negative or positive sign. Must read the statement of the question thoroughly. So in my next video, I will tell you about the magnification and then solve the numerical based on the mirror formula. With this, my video, this topic, sign convention and the mirror formula, that is finished. I will meet you in my next video and take up magnification and numericals. Till then, thank you very much.